All right, Silver Dollar City fans, we have a challenge for you. So,
come with us.
Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So, this entire challenge spurred from this guy's picture right here, Austin Sims, who got 69,000 points on the flooded mine.
Have you ever got that many?
I don't think so. Have you? You're the one that's beating me every time.
Have I beaten you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. This one I can beat you in. The other ones I can't.
Yeah, she cannot beat me in any of the other shooting games. Just this one, for some reason, she somehow finds a way to win.
So I'm good at it.
I guess so. Anyway, that being said, this spurred us an idea. We're going to start a high score leaderboard. And 69,000 is actually the score to beat. We're going to put that at the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to have it on Facebook. It is going to be pinned to our Facebook page, so you guys got to come over by it.
You got to prove it, though. You got to take a picture.
And you got to take a picture and post it in the comments, and then we will update it weekly.
Picture it didn't happen.
Yep, pictures or it didn't happen. We got to see those receipts. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go in here today. We're going to try and beat that 69,000 score. Right now, we're going to go around. We're going to try once. If we don't do it one time, then we're going to go a second time. If we don't do it then, well, we'll try again next time.
Austin will be the leader.
Austin will be the leader. But
at that point,
Ashley's coming for you, Austin. Just a heads up. So anyway, that being said, we're going to head inside to the flooded mine. So see you guys inside. Oh, wait. Before we go in, I will tell you that I am going to switch off of the gimbal and go back to just holding it with my hand because it is easier for me to move it in there and shoot at the same time. So if I score above 69,000 while doing so, which is probably why Ash has beaten me in the past.
Just excuses.
No excuses because I'm holding the camera. So anyway, that being said, now I'm going to go in there, but just a heads up, it might be a little shaky. All right, we are entering into the flooded mine now down this corridor here to go and beat this high score. Let's do this. So today is not a busy day at all. This is literally going to be a walk-on, and we may have the boat to ourselves. We have made it onto our boat, and off we go. Uh-oh. That one is not good. All right, so as you can see, mine is starting at 0. Ash's is starting at something. I'm gonna switch hands real quick. Let's do this. Very nice. I'm only 500 behind.
Oh, he's spitting water out. $2,900.
I don't think we're gonna make it. Well, Ashley has hit 12,200. We're gonna go around a second time because I only got 4,300, and I was also filming at the same time. So I think the thing is to just not film, and we'll see how my shots do next time. But Ash, 12,200. So nowhere close to 69,000, but we're gonna have to figure that one out.
I wonder if he's telling the truth.
I don't know. We're gonna find out though. So anyway, we're gonna go around for a second time, see how we do. All right, here we go, rolling in for our second try. We'll see how we do. All right, so we just completed it. Ashley has 12,900. I have 3,500. I don't understand why the score will not register. But I was literally shooting at it. So somebody needs to give me some tips or something on how to shoot and how to get this. I'm aiming directly at the target and it's just not registering. And I understand that some of these guns can be a little wonky, but we will talk to you guys when we get off the ride. All right. So 69,000 seems insane.
It does seem a little excessive.
It does seem a little excessive. So kudos to you, Mr. Austin Sims, for pulling that off. However, we would like some tips.
Yeah.
Point some tips.
know.
Let's see if anybody else can get close to 69,000.
Or is there like a lucky seat?
Yeah,
A lucky
or-
row?
Or maybe
What
we
is
just
it?
are. Maybe we just suck at the game.
I do not. I refuse.
But anyway, right now, top score was whatever your last one was, 12,900.
900, yeah.
Okay, so there's that one, and she also has 12,200 on there, so she's gonna be on there.
You're just gonna be at the very bottom.
Yeah, I guess so. So anyway, guys, on Facebook, make sure to post your top things.
Yes, photos, or it doesn't count.
Yep. Show the receipts. Gotta have the receipts. So anyway, that being said, maybe we'll figure out a prize for the winner at an old time Christmas.
Ooh, at the end of the season.
The end of the season. So anyway, that being said, we will be back. A 69,000 score is going to be beaten if it's not beaten already. We will do our best to be on top, but any sort of training that you could provide for us would be great.
He's like, no, I'm not gonna give you.
So maybe not him, or maybe somebody else that knows better. So anyway, that being said, if you guys want to follow along with more of our high score journey, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that, so you guys don't miss out on any more of our adventures and any more Silver Dollar City adventures. Plus, don't forget to follow us on Facebook for that top leaderboard score if you are a Flooded Mine avid writer. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.